Adding money from Airtel is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. To apply for Airtel Airtime Loan Service, you have to dial their Help Center code. You can take help from the Airtel management team. For Airtel Extra Credit Code, dial star 500#, and the Airtel Airtime Borrowing Code is star 500#. If you want to apply for Airtel Extra Credit, simply dial this short code, star 500#, and follow the prompt message to successfully get the airtime instantly. To ease your stress of following the pop-up, get a specific amount that you want by dialing star 500*, then type in the amount and then press hash. The amount that can be borrowed on Airtel is N25, N50, N100, N200, N500, N1000, and N2000. Always be cautious when considering loans or credit. Read all the terms and conditions and ensure that you are dealing with legitimate financial institutions when seeking credit services. If you are especially looking for loan services, contact Airtel customer support through their official channels like WhatsApp, app, or helpline to inquire about any other loan offers, partnerships, or financial services they provide.